Welcome to Oracle 11J R2 Real Application Cluster course, where you will learn the 2-node RAC deployment on Linux servers. Hi, my name is Arun Kumar and I will be leading you through this course. With over 13 years of experience, I began my career as an Oracle DBA and soon transitioned into database architect role. Fast forward, I currently work with some of the smartest DBAs on the planet who are committed to help my clients by providing 24/7 remote DBA support. I created this course to show you how to configure 2-node RAC with ASM disks. By the end of this course, you will be able to explain Oracle RAC architecture, create 2 Linux virtual machines for RAC setup, define public and private networks, configure ASM disks and disk groups, install Oracle 11G R2 Grid software, create and configure RAC databases, and much more. I will be walking you through each and every step to configure 2-node RAC on VirtualBox. The course includes step-by-step lab setup that will help you configure practice lab on your own system. The ideal student for this course is Oracle DBA, database developer, database architect, or anyone who is planning to set up a 2-node RAC. You must know basic Oracle database administration to start with this course. Feel free to look at course curriculum, and I look forward to see you inside the course.